Good morning, Year 2. I hope you're all okay. We're back for some more maths. Now, I hope you enjoyed your time on Timetable Rockstars yesterday. I'm really excited to see who's going to win that battle. So, today we're going to go back to fractions, and it's going to be our last lesson on fractions. You've done absolutely amazing. And today, we're going to be counting in quarters. Now, on Monday, we counted in halves, and you're absolutely amazing at it. So, we're going to do something very similar today, but using quarters. It's a little bit more tricky, but you're going to be absolutely amazing. Okay? So, we're going to recap our own learning. I want to see you rewinding. Are you ready? And we're going to read this fraction together using our stem sentence. Okay? Are you ready, starting with that denominator? Okay, after 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 equal parts make my whole, and I have one of those equal parts. Okay, I'm going to draw it. There we go, 4 equal parts, and I have one of those equal parts. I have 1 quarter. Okay, now we're going to carry on counting in quarters. We're going to have 2 quarters. Let's do it here. 2 quarters. So, stem sentence. 4 equal parts make my whole, and I have 2 of those equal parts. There's my whole. 4 equal parts make my whole, and this time I've got 2 quarters. Okay, next we're going to go for 3 quarters. Well, that was a bit rubbish drawing it there, wasn't it? That's okay. So, 4 equal parts make my whole, and I have 3 of those equal parts. I have 3 quarters. Now, we learnt about those before, and we've also learnt about our 2 quarters. And remember, that is the same as a half. Okay, right, finally, we're going to increase our numerator even more, and we're going to have 4 quarters. So, 4 equal parts make my whole, and I have 4 of those equal parts. Okay, so 4 quarters is the same as 1 whole. Okay, just as 2 quarters is the same as 1 half. Okay, so we're going to be counting up in them today. So, let's go together. Are we ready? 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 1 whole. Now, if we're going to carry on counting our quarters, we'd have that 1 whole, and we'd have 1 quarter, because we're adding a quarter each time. Now remember my whole, and I have to draw a new whole to get my next quarter. 1 and a quarter. Now we're going to carry on counting. We'd have 1, and we're adding a quarter. So if I draw that, let's draw it underneath here. So I have 1 whole, and this time I've not just got 1 quarter, I'm going to add a quarter. So I've got 1 and 2 quarters. Okay, so the first activity I would like you to complete is the one I'm going to show you in a minute, and you're going to have to finish off the number line. Okay? Okay, so here is your first task. I would like you to make your very own number line of counting in quarters. Now, you can do it exactly like I've done here, but I would like you to carry on until you get to the number 3. Okay, so here it is here, and I have drawn the representation. So here I can see 4 equal parts make 1 whole. I have got 1 of those equal parts. So, in my box, I would write 1 quarter. Okay, and I'd like you to carry on all the way until you get to 3. Now, my number line isn't big enough, but I want you to challenge yourself to get to number 3, and you can draw your representations at the top of it, okay, going up in a quarter each time. Okay, so you might want to just do squares like I've done. You could do circles, you could even draw your own little pizza. Be as imaginative as you like. You could actually stick a few pieces of paper together and make a really long counting up in quarters number line, and you could make it colourful and something that you could keep looking back at. Okay, so here it is. If you would like to pause the screen now, this is your first task. Okay, so here is your second challenge. You have got to open your own restaurant and take the orders of some of your teachers. Okay, so I'd like to draw pictures of these things, please. Mrs. Bird would like 2 1/4 chocolate cakes. Miss Scotney would like 3 3/4 of a pepperoni pizza. Mrs. Flint would like 1 2/4 pies. Miss Calm would like 7 3/4 Jaffa cakes. And
Then Miss Harries and Miss Sison had a little chat, and you've got an explain it task. And it is, Miss Sison said she would like 3 4/4 of a pizza. Miss Harries tells her this is the same as 4 pizzas. Is Miss Harries right? Why or why not? Okay, if you finish early, why not go on to Timetable Rockstars and see if you can score some more points for your team?